guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back on Star Wars
A walker. The Mustafarians won't stand a chance against that.
It's about to get real busy down here.
Find out!
Perfect! Nailed them! I think we got them all. Let's move on. Good. Let's keep going.
Guys,
Are you kidding me?
I have a bad feeling. Bad feeling about this.
Keep trying, Captain. Give him a taste of his own medicine. Come on, Metal Mouth. Is that all you got? not looking too good there, Admiral. How's your ship feeling now? Enjoying the ride? You're great, Captain. Try to whack those blasts right back at him. Good riddance. Won't miss that guy.
Thank God.
Come on, let's move.
My friends, fortune favors you both.
Thank you.
Fortune had nothing to do with it, lady. That
Fortune
was
and
all
glory.
skill.
Fortune and glory. Comment
Now,
down what you think.
You and
that's
I
good.
must stop Vader.
Bug Eyes? Come on, you're with me. We'll get the windfall and keep the Imperials off your back. Call me superstitious, but I'm not gonna wish you any more luck, Captain.
Okay.
Just hope I see you on the other side.
Blessings to you both.
Bye,
Follow me.
Eagle. Why did he stop?
Come aboard.
Okay, it's not letting me move. I'm scared, bro.
There are moments when even the fate of a galaxy can pivot on the actions of an individual. Remember, the bright star represents the life energies of an entire world, and life longs to be free. If the moment presents itself, do what you must to destroy the Aeon engine.
Okay.
The Aeon engine. Vader has activated it.
So does that mean I can't defeat him? This is... Do you see that tiny little head?
Draining my life force. You must stop him before he drains the vitality of every being on this planet. I have taken you as far as I can. But you must finish this alone.
Why are you disappearing?
Reach inside yourself. Find strength. And remember, fate chose you for a reason.
He found his pain could be harnessed by the dark side.
Daddy problems? I mean Vader?
Anakin, all I want is your love.
Daddy problems.
Padme, you will be mine again.
Daddy issues.
If the energies of this world are not enough, there are countless others. You! So, you survived the caverns. No matter, you've arrived too late. Can you feel it? Your own life force is ebbing away. Where your ancestor failed, I will succeed. Time for one final lesson. Is that all you Look upon the engine. Do you see? Your ancestors' destiny is fulfilled. Pathetic. Let us see how much of your training you recall. Engine recognizes you. Your blood connects you to its power. Enough.
Stop now! Come back! I love you!
She was almost within reach. Now she is lost to me again. Because of you! Now, die.
I'm fading away.
This is the moment. Look, the Bright Star is vulnerable. Vader thinks his willpower can achieve what Lady Corvax could not. Instead, he will tear this world apart trying to resurrect shadows. The Eon engine must be destroyed. Use the Force. Reach out with your mind and summon the Light Sword. Now, before Vader can act, plunge the Light Sword into the Bright Star.
No!
The light sword. No. Please. Please. Wait.
You have my gratitude.
Thank you.
You have freed me from the prison of time. And in doing so, righted our wrongs. The priestess was right. The energy from the Bright Star now flows through Mustafar. Slowly,
Dad.
our world will begin to heal.
What about Vader? I hope it's not roll credits. Look at the gloves, they were so nice and don't kill me.
Captain! You didn't get killed! Again! Come on, hop in. Or, I guess I'll come help you.
Please. Why is it a black screen?
Well, look who's awake. The whole family's back together again. Back on the Windfall. As it should be.
Finally.
Okay, we are all set to clear the atmosphere. Finally,
Can I do?
get off of this hellscape.
Can I do hyperspace?
Hey, let me take a look at that saber, would you? Something familiar about it.
Look at it.
The design looks kind of like the totem Violet gave us. He said it dated back to Lady Corvax's time.
What are you doing?
No, not that way, Captain. Hold the saber straight up. Got it! By the Maker! A star chart! Wherever that is, it's way beyond the outer rim. Almost looks like a treasure map.
Yeah, this is a cool
What do
projector.
you think? Should we check it out? Yes!
Why lightsaber?
We're almost clear of Mustafar. Get ready to jump to hyperspace.
My kid. Thank you.
Punch it, Captain.
Punch it, Chewie. Fortune and glory. Fortune and glory. Figure that out. Fortune and glory.
We've got a treasure to find.
Oh! That's still so cool. Okay, guys, tell me if I had good acting for that, because I try to act it out, but like, this was so cute.